In this episode, I'm gonna add one more get method, which is gonna be get product by ID, right? So here we have like get all methods, so it returns all the products. Now I wanna get the product by the product Guid or product ID, right? So this is gonna be like our HTTP get method, right? And okay, first of all, leave it there. Then give the public IE action result get product by ID, and the ID is actually Guid because in the client we do not have that product ID, right? We did not expose the actual primary key. Instead, we return the product Guid. So that's why we have, so since we are accepting this parameter, we can specify here maybe we're gonna specify the type. This is accept the product Guid. So product Guid as a Guid type. We can also specify like get, right, slash maybe. Okay, so for now return, let's say return something, right? Return okay, just okay. Let's give it a try. So it didn't like it here. Okay, let's see. So let's add a new request, get product by ID. Okay, and the URL is gonna be so we can provide the get product then the product Guid, right? So before that we need to get the product. Let's see. Okay, so this is the product. Let's copy this Guid, then come over here, paste it, the product Guid, send, and we got like okay, because let's put a breakpoint to make sure that we are receiving the request. Send, okay, and the product Guid is here, right? So that we are simply returning okay. So that's why we got the response just 200 okay. Now let's try the attribute routing here. So what I can do, I can use slash, actually it should be backward slash, backslash, this one, right? Or yep. So if we use this one, now the URL is gonna be API product slash get slash then the Guid. Now let's run this and also modify the URL here, because if I send it now it should show not found. Okay, this is not found. Now it's gonna be get. Okay, so Guid is there, so that looks good, right? Okay, so this part is done. Now what we want to do, we want to get the product from service, right? Get product by ID. This is what we want to get, right? And provide the product over here. Now let's see if we have that implementation. Okay, we have the implementation here already, which is pretty good, right? And then okay, so that is pretty good. Now let's run. send the product. Okay, come over here, step over. Did we get the product? Yes, we got the product, right? And it is also returning everything including ID, so we also need to fix that. Okay, it is returning everything here, right, including ID, product type, actual cost, but we know that we can use AutoMapper. So what we can do, go over here. Once we get the response, right, then product DTO is gonna be mapper.map, right, product DTO from the product, then return the product DTO. So now we need to change the return type, product DTO. Okay, similarly we have to update in the interface product DTO. Okay, now let's run. Okay, now if we send it, okay, now we got the product DTO, right? Let's say we send them an incorrect product, that's 8, right? That is not there. Send it there, right? And continue. No content, not found, right? So product was not found. So this is pretty simple, right, and easy to implement. So in the product repository we have the get product by all, that is already been implemented here. So we did not need to write any code here at this moment. We simply use the mapper to map the product into product DTO, okay, which we learned in the previous episode. In the next episode I will show you how to use the put method to update the product. Okay, I hope you are enjoying these episodes, right? Please like the video and comment anything, whatever you want to say. It can be very simple, like you are liking the videos or no, right? Or if you are facing any issues like any errors or anything, also please mention in the comment box. I will try to respond and resolve your issue through the comment. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe my channel. I am trying to grow my channel here. I will be trying to add more and more videos. By the way, if you have any special request to make the videos, like if you did not understand anything from these episodes, also please let me know, then I can create another like separate video for that specific purpose. Okay, thank you so much. I also gave you one homework, right? Please let me know if you did, and I'm also looking forward to see that you have completed that homework or not. All right, thank you.